B. Complete the food chains with words from the box. I told you earlier, food chain means it is one series where one organism is being eaten by other organism. 1, 2, 3. 3 questions are given related to food chain and there are 3 options here. So these answers should be filled in these blank spaces. We'll read all the questions first and then we'll try to choose the right answer. First one. There is a blank space. They are given caterpillar here. Then it is caterpillar is eaten by bird. So we need to write the answer for this. Like which plant group is eaten by caterpillar. Remember, in any food chain, in the beginning always plant group should be present or any product of the plant. Now, second question. There is a blank space. Fish has been mentioned. Fish will be eating this. Now, like out of these, we need to choose and write here. Fish will eat that. Then fish is eaten by human here. Third option, they have given the first like level of the food chain, that is grain. That is eaten by, okay, out of these, we need to like fill the option here. Grain is eaten by one organism or animal here. Then that is eaten by human. Now, first option we'll consider. Here they are given leaf, hen and water plant. Remember, leaf, hen and water plant. Water plant is always related to fish. Okay, water plant is related to fish because fish is found in water. So, water plant should be the option here for the second one. So, for the second one, you need to write water plant. Then, the first one. For the first one, caterpillar. The food for the caterpillar should be, it should be from a plant source. Water plant is the answer for the second question. So, for the first one, the answer should be leaf. So, leaf is eaten by caterpillar. Caterpillar will be eaten by bird. Second one is water plant is eaten by fish. Fish is eaten by human. Third question is grain. Grain is eaten by, now only one option left, that is hen. Grain is eaten by hen. Hen is eaten by human. So let me fill those options. Again, don't write this in your notebook, write in the textbook itself. First option is leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Leaf is eaten by caterpillar, which is eaten by bird. Second option is water plant. Why water plant? Because fish is found in water. Water plant is also called aquatic plant. Water plant is eaten by fish, which is eaten by human. Then grain is eaten by, only one option left now, hen. H-E-N. Hen is being eaten by human. So these are the 3 different questions related to food chain. C. Name an animal that has these mouth parts. Animal they have given, not animal group. Okay, you can write the example for the animal having these mouth parts. First, sharp and broad front teeth. Sharp and broad front teeth is present in herbivore, plant-eating animals, mainly to bite of the grass or to eat the leaves. We will give the example of horse or cow, which is present, which has been given in the textbook. I have written horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Second question, long, sharp and pointed teeth. Long, sharp and pointed teeth are present in carnivorous animals, mainly to tear the flesh. The example, any example you can write, tiger, lion, leopard, wolves, like that. So let me write lion, L-I-O-N, because same picture has been given in your textbook. Then a picture of lion. Then third question, a long and sticky tongue is present in chameleon or frog. Let me write frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. A long and sticky tongue mainly to catch the insects. Then, fourth question. A sharp and hollow tube to drink blood. We call the structure as proboscis. It is present in mosquito. M-O-S-Q-I-T-O. Mosquito. Then, fifth question. A long and hollow tube to drink nectar. Nectar is a sweet substance produced by the flower. A long and hollow tube is called proboscis. Okay, and it is used to drink nectar in butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Even these answer also you're going to write in the textbook. Remember, don't write in the notebook. Even this also you'll be writing in the textbook.